Passage planning is a critical process in maritime navigation, ensuring the safe and efficient voyage of a vessel. It involves navigating a ship from its point of departure to its destination, considering all potential hazards and challenges. A well-crafted passage plan mitigates risks, optimizes fuel consumption, and complies with international regulations. It requires careful consideration of factors such as weather conditions, tides, currents, traffic density, and navigational hazards. A comprehensive passage plan includes contingency plans for unforeseen circumstances, ensuring the safety of the vessel and its crew. It provides a structured framework for decision-making, reducing the likelihood of errors in navigation. By embracing passage planning, mariners contribute to a safer and more sustainable maritime industry. Passage planning aims to ensure the safety of the vessel, crew, cargo, and the marine environment. By identifying potential hazards in advance, mariners can adjust their routes, speeds, and strategies to minimize risks. Efficiency is another key objective, optimizing speeds, fuel consumption, and time constraints. Compliance with international and local maritime regulations is non-negotiable, ensuring vessels adhere to rules related to safety and environmental protection. Environmental protection is increasingly important, considering sensitive marine areas and potential pollution risks. This proactive approach is essential for preserving the health of our oceans for future generations. Passage planning contributes to the economic viability of maritime operations, reducing fuel costs and maximizing efficiency. The responsibility for passage planning rests on the ship's master, accountable for safe navigation and crew well-being. However, passage planning is a collaborative effort involving the ship's officers, particularly the navigating officer. The navigating officer gathers necessary information, plots the route, and ensures adherence to regulations and safety standards. The entire bridge team plays a crucial role in executing and monitoring the passage plan. Each team member must be familiar with the plan, understand their role, and be prepared to respond to deviations or emergencies. Effective passage planning relies on clear communication and collaboration among the crew. Regular briefings and a shared understanding of the plan are essential for a safe and successful voyage. Passage planning is divided into 4 stages: appraisal, planning, execution, and monitoring. Appraisal involves gathering all relevant information for informed decisions about the voyage. This includes studying nautical charts, consulting maritime publications, and obtaining up-to-date weather forecasts. Planning involves plotting the intended route on charts, considering hazards and contingencies, and calculating ETA and fuel consumption. Execution involves putting the plan into action, conducting pre-departure checks, and following the planned route. Monitoring requires continuous adjustment throughout the voyage, considering real-time conditions and implementing contingency plans if necessary. Each stage ensures the safe and efficient navigation of the vessel. The bridge team constantly monitors the vessel's position, weather conditions, and traffic. Adjustments are made to the plan as needed to address unforeseen circumstances. Effective passage planning relies on a range of tools and resources, both traditional and electronic. Nautical charts provide a graphical representation of the sea floor, including depths, hazards, and aids to navigation. Electronic charts, or ENCs, offer real-time updates and integration with navigation systems. Maritime publications provide crucial information, including sailing directions, tide tables, and lists of lights and radio signals. Accurate weather forecasts are essential for safe navigation, obtained from various sources like meteorological reports and satellite imagery. Modern vessels are equipped with electronic navigation systems such as GPS, radar, and ECDIS. Passage planning software programs assist mariners in creating and managing passage plans, integrating data sources, and automating calculations. Despite its importance, passage planning is often subject to common mistakes that can jeopardize a voyage. Failing to gather sufficient or up-to-date information during the appraisal stage can lead to navigational errors. Choosing a route based solely on the shortest distance without considering winds, currents, or traffic can result in inefficiency and hazards. Failing to develop comprehensive contingency plans for unforeseen circumstances leaves a vessel vulnerable in a crisis. Passage planning requires continuous monitoring and adjustment throughout the voyage. Neglecting to monitor weather updates or becoming complacent can have serious consequences. Mariners must be aware of these pitfalls and take steps to avoid them. A proactive approach ensures a safer and more efficient journey. To ensure a comprehensive approach to passage planning, utilize a checklist covering all essential aspects. In the appraisal stage, obtain and verify the latest editions of relevant nautical charts and consult maritime publications. Gather detailed weather forecasts for the entire duration of the planned voyage. Assess the vessel's capabilities and limitations, including draft, maneuverability, and equipment. During the planning stage, plot the intended route on charts, considering hazards and regulations. Calculate the estimated time of arrival and determine fuel requirements, considering potential weather conditions. Develop comprehensive contingency plans for various scenarios, including adverse weather and mechanical failures. In the execution stage, conduct thorough pre-departure checks to ensure the vessel's seaworthiness and crew readiness. Maintain a continuous navigational watch, monitoring the vessel's position and adhering to the planned route. Communicate effectively with the crew, providing regular updates and briefings on the passage plan and any adjustments. Passage planning stands as the cornerstone of maritime safety and efficiency. It demands meticulous attention to detail, a thorough understanding of navigational principles, and the ability to adapt to changing conditions. By embracing passage planning, seafarers contribute significantly to the safety of life at sea and the protection of the marine environment. A well-executed passage plan is a testament to the professionalism and diligence of the entire ship's crew, ensuring a safer and more sustainable future for maritime trade and exploration.